Guys, today in this video we are going to learn about how to install a tempered glass or a screen protector on your mobile phone. And the sample that we are going to use today is Asus Lite L1. By the way, by using this tutorial you can apply it on particularly any model or any brand which you may have. Let's begin with the current condition of mobile phone, and I've been using a matte guard on this Asus Lite L1, and as you can see the condition is pretty pathetic. There are scratches all over, there are bubbles, there is tearing as you can see, and it has really become difficult to look at the font and read the text on this mobile phone. Well, don't worry, we're going to get rid of it today in this video. So this is the current condition as you can see with the matte guard. And now let's talk about the kind of stuff, the material that you will require for today's tutorial. Let's start with the star of the show, that is your tempered glass itself. And I brought a slightly premium model, so it comes nicely packaged in this plastic box. Yes, the plastic box did actually come with this whole thing. So here is this 9H premium hardened tempered glass. We'll need a plastic sticky tape. Well, why do we need that? It's a very unique application. I'm going to let you know in this particular video. And of course we need a bit of glass cleaner. You can use Colleen or anything else as we like. Guys, all these things are very easily available online, and affiliate buying links to buy all of this stuff is available for you in the video description, in the first comment, or in the view product section right over here in this particular corner. All right, so you can go ahead and you can buy using those affiliate links to support my channel. The first thing that you need to do after receiving all of it is safety checks. Yes, you need to unbox the screen protector and check out if it is apt for your mobile phone or not, because as in this particular video we've already discussed that most of the screen guards available today are much smaller than the display of your mobile phone, and this leaves your display vulnerable for breaking or scratches. So make sure that it's the right fit for you, make sure it's the right size, and once it's the right size we'll move ahead. Otherwise you may have to return the screen guard. Now here as we can see there's an old screen guard already installed. We are going to get rid of it, and today we are not going to use any kind of violence. We don't need any tools, we don't need any screwdrivers or even your fingernails. I'm going to let you know a neat little trick which involves this sticky tape or cello tape. What we'll do is we'll have a small cut piece, and I'm going to install this cut piece in the corner of your existing screen protector. So I'm just going to put it in the lower right corner right over here. You just need a small piece, and let me show you practically what I'm about to do with this particular thing. So here goes the sticky tape, and now without any violence, gently, simply, what we are going to do is just lift it up. Yes, guys, did you guess that removing old screen guards was this simple? Yes, you don't have to pry it out, and here out comes the old screen guard. Now of course there's a lot of glue and residue on this screen right over here, so what we are going to do is we'll use the glass cleaner and we are going to clean all of it. Make sure that you are using a soft microfiber cloth or a microfiber towel. I'll again provide links for that. You get these nice large microfiber towels which are generally used for cleaning cars, and they are also good for cleaning your mobile phone. So you might want to keep one microfiber towel separate for cleaning your mobile phones, spectacles and things like that. So for like the premium stuff, you can have it around. Now a lot of these screen guards also come with inbuilt wipes, inbuilt microfiber towels. You may use that, but generally what I found is that if you buy one separately, then the quality is generally much higher. So I'm just going to use a bit of glass cleaner. I'm going to get rid of all the residue, and here there are these alcohol wipes that come along with. You can run them over if you like. And now as you can see, the phone is squeaky clean. I think it's pretty good, and we are about ready to install the new tempered glass. You need to do this step little quickly, because if you leave it out after removing the rear protective layer, it's just going to attract dust from the atmosphere. So make sure you're doing this in a dust-free atmosphere as much as possible. Do it indoors, close all the doors and windows, turn off the fans. All right, and once you're ready, peel off the rear protective film and align it at once. And yes, I need to emphasize on the thing, do it once. If this tempered glass is dropped at slightly wrong location, you won't be able to reposition it. That is final. So make sure you drop it once, drop it correctly. Pay attention to cutouts for your speaker grills, for your camera grills, for your camera lenses, and so on. So align it properly, drop it in, and these things are self-adhesive, so it's just going to attach itself to the screen of the phone. Now what we are going to do is get rid of the bubbles if there are any. In my application, as you see, this is a bubble free application. There are absolutely no bubbles, but what you can do is you can have your microfiber cloth and massage those bubbles out gently, like squeeze them towards the outer edge of your phone. And guys, here as we can see, overall the application is absolutely perfect. I really loved it. And if you want to see awesome tutorials, something like this with respect to screen guards or mobile phones in general, a lot of video cards will pop up in the form of clickable thumbnails right over here on the screen. You can click on those videos, maybe learn a thing or two new about your mobile phones today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.